Today I am going to take up the topic stress management. From the word stress, what do you mean? The mental tension caused by problems is called stress. Some common causes of stress is adolescence as peer pressure, not getting proper attention, examinations, pressure to perform well in academic and physical changes taking place in their bodies. Stress helps to prepare the body to meet a difficult situation, but if it is repeated and it is a prolonged stress, it can have harmful physical and psychological effects also. Therefore, it is important to find ways to reduce stress. There are various techniques you can adopt to reduce stress. Various techniques from which you can adopt to reduce stress are meditation. Meditation is an activity in which you just sit and allow the mind to be at rest. Take a deep breath and make your thoughts positive. Do not think rational, do not think much about the mistakes or weakness. Try to overcome them with positive thinking. Yoga. Regular yoga will help you to overcome stress. So devote some time to it every day, maximum 45 minutes and minimum 20 minutes. Time management. Make a schedule for your studies, sports, recreation, friends, and family. Set realistic goals and allot time for fulfilling them. Manage your time effectively. Rational thinking. Adopt scientific thinking and temperament. Do not just follow because your friends or someone has asked you to do it. Think rationally. Do not enter into unnecessary arguments with anybody. Hobby. Pursue a hobby no matter how big or small it is. Make drawings, learn music, do gardening, and so on. Sports. Join a sport of your choice. It will help in keeping you fit as well as making new friends. So, before ending this presentation, I want to tell you about a beautiful thought that is, hard work is like stairs and luck is like lift. Sometimes lift may fail, but stairs will always take you at the top. It means that to attain success in life, it is important to put trust in hard work over luck because hard work never fails a person. Thank you, everyone.